We're back out on the Susquehanna River today. The closure that the Fish and Boat Commission has enacted to let the fish spawn, that's over. So we're back out here targeting smallmouth. Coop, you ready to catch one?
Of course.
All right, what are you throwing?
A spinnerbait.
Right on.
First cast on a crankbait. Live target crayfish.
Get the net under him, buddy. Under him.
Come over here.
Under him. Yeah,
Got it.
got him.
Pull up. Good job. Thanks, Coop. Cooper Loop on the net. Decent fish.
Crankbait, huh?
Yeah, first cast. This has always been my best crankbait up here. Not a bad guy.
Brent's hooked up in these ledges here. What are you throwing, dude?
War Eagle Finesse spinnerbait with a chartreuse trailer on it.
We haven't had many fish
Whoa.
chasing yours, but this is a good one.
Don't go under the boats. He's on a rock.
Ooh, you can hear your line on that rock. Yes! All right.
All right, Coop. Pull him up, buddy.
Nice job,
Good job,
guys.
Coop. Nice. Look at that, Smalley. Susky Smalley right there.
Sweet.
That's a pig.
Another spinnerbait fish?
Yep. Hit it early in the retrieve again.
Coop, I think we need to switch back to spinnerbaits.
I got more War Eagles if you want one. Get him, Coop. Hold on, let me pull him to you.
Get down low, Cooper.
Got him.
Lift it.
Lift it up. Good job, Coop.
That one's pretty
Grab
good.
on the net. Not bad. A little fat, susky Smalley.
Can I have one of the ones you've been catching them on?
Yes, you can. A brand new one. How's that sound?
Good.
War Eagle Finesse, 5/16 with a green trailer, grub trailer. Is that what you want?
Yeah.
All right.
Oh, that was a good one, Coop. Good job, buddy. Bring him here. Swing your rod tip this way. Over my head. All right, you gotta pump it and reel down. Pump it up. Let me tighten the drag just a little bit. All right, pump it up. Pump them up and reel down. When you drop your rod tip, reel down. He's a good one. Oh, Cooper.
Yes, Coop.
Yeah, Coop.
How about
dude?
Good job, brother.
Which direction were you casting?
That way.
Yeah. All right. Good catch, dude.
How big is that?
I don't know. He's a big one. He pulled a lot of drag, didn't he?
Yeah.
All right.
I caught a 16-inch.
16 and a half.
16 and a half, and I caught on a spinnerbait, and he's a largemouth bass.
Smallmouth.
Smallmouth.
All right. Put him back, buddy.
Good battle.
Nice, dude.
Yep, nice fish right in front of the boat. Coop's hooked up too. We got double hookup.
Nice.
Spinnerbait action.
Sweet.
Nice
Bring him
one,
in,
Coop.
guys. Here, bring him my way. Oh, Coop, yours is nice. Reel it. Here, give me some slack. Good job.
Nice, Coop. Double
Doubles.
hookup,
Nice.
Get your fish and we'll do a fish bump.
All right. Take him, dude. Throw him in.
Ready?
There they go. All right, get another, guys. Which way you want to bring
He's
him?
up here on my right.
All right, I'm coming in.
Oh, man. Yeah. Look at that one, Cooper Loop.
The crankbait's getting the big ones.
Yep. Yeah, this thing's got a nice rattle to it. You can really respond to it. Just picked up another Smalley on a live target crayfish crankbait, shallow runner. Runs about a foot below the surface and hit it out there behind a boulder.
It's kind of like a man's baby 1 minus, but it has better color.
Right, and better action when it swims. It moves a lot more through the water and it's got a better rattle to it.
Yeah.
Got some nice ones today off that crankbait.
All right. Good job, man.
Thanks. That's a good one. Get him, buddy. Get him. Yeah. Come on, straight up.
We may bump.
All right, come right in front of me. Come right over here to me.
That's your big for the day, I think.
Yeah, that's big. Are we all right on rocks here?
It's ginormous.
We're gonna bump hard right now.
All right. Crap, broke one of my hooks.
Hold her up.
That's a good fish. Another one on the live target. Crayfish crankbait. He's at least 17. Nice, bigger than that.
You got him right on that shoreline up there?
Yeah.
Good place for some crayfish to live.
Oh, that's a pretty fish. Excuse my French again.
Right up in here.
Great color. That is the live target crankbait again, but a different color. And they're still hitting it. Shallow runner. And they are slamming that thing big time. There's nothing better than a strong crankbait hit, in my opinion. I think they hit even harder than spinnerbaits.
Spinnerbait, they kind of run through it, and the
Yeah.
crankbait, they capture it. They
Yeah,
inhale it,
and
then turn with it.
I mean, this thing's got front and rear hooks in its mouth again.
Some sticky hooks on that crankbait, dude.
Yep. They work.
Very nice.
Gee, that's big.
How big is he?
He's at least 18 again.
In the middle of the class 2/3 rapid. Brent continues to kill him on that crankbait.
I don't think he wants to kill the fish.
Same colors too, and they're still slamming it.
Very nice.
I don't think it matters.
Alright, I better get on the oars. Nice catch, buddy. Couldn't film any of the action because I had to get on the oars here to keep us from dropping down into that rapid there while Brent hooked. Is that your biggest of the day?
I think so.
Let's see it.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, that's huge.
He's another 18 probably. 19. 18 to 19. Look at his face, it's all jacked up. His
On
mouth.
that crankbait. Again and again and again.
Live target.
Nice.